to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix is Maxine, and she came out strong for the pastor. Now, guys, you have to go catch the message to hear what Maxine has to say to this pastor. She's saying that he is wrong, and she's saying that if he never know that he was wrong when he came out to do a couple of things to give persons things and then talk about it. And then she was talking about Donna and other things inclusive, of the pastor, as the pastor was sharing, basically to say that he knew her and followed her for a while. So, guys, go ahead, catch the video and hear what Maxine has to say about this pastor. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. Have, for all my other lovelies out there, just have yourselves a beautiful day today. Beautiful, beautiful day.
Pastor man desire. Then you never know say what you they do no wrong, wrong. You never know say wrong. All what you they do, you no know say wrong. Then you not have no discerning spirit. You not have nothing about you. You want to tell me say you come out on social media, the trouble people, tell lie on people, give your money and turn on disgrace people. You never know something wrong you they do. I don't care who. I don't care who it is. It's wrong. It is wrong for you to do it. No matter what this somebody do, it's wrong. And you a pastor? Oh, pastor, man. Go and go sit down. Go and go sit down here, man.
I am sorry.
Yeah.
Because as a pastor,
look how much big and favor for me not
we're supposed to bring peace. And we're supposed to bring difference. And we're supposed to bring alignment. And although other people thought it was fun and great and that she got her match or whatever they want.
Fun to tear down a woman. It is fun to tear down a woman. I'm a matter of fact, fun to tear down anybody at all. It was fun for you. You sit down with your big old mouth and they laugh. Like it's really funny. And you're supposed to set an example. No, but no.
Whether or not she agrees or want to accept it, I really couldn't care less what she has
I won't even look at you.
This point. But my soul, my assignment, my job, my responsibility as a pastor, a leader, a prophet, one who...
He said he's been watching Donna a long time. How comes he haven't donated to any of her? Exactly. And how comes he not realize that Donna a criminal? Oh, he not realize that? He's been watching for a long time. Oh, pastor, how you not realize that Donna robbed me? How you not realize that Donna ungrateful and turn bad? Pastor, oh, you not see that all of them the same thing there? You've been watching. Oh, you make them the same thing they pass over your eye. Oh, you not realize that Donna a boaster. Take people things and boast upon them and turn on this them. You know see that, pastor? Pastor, come here, make me talk to you for a second. You know see all of them the same thing there? You know sister Donna a boaster. And take people things and lie about it. You never see it. You've been watching for a long time. You know everything about her. How comes you never give nobody? Look how much people when they on our program. What all are we donate to? How comes you never see that? Oh, I just did a day that Liam. That I just did a day. Then I've been doing this for more than 5 years. I just did a day in Trifiggy Parlor. I just did a day that. We are talking about long time. He's saying they watch long time. In the watch long time. That I just did a day. Not even 4 or 5 months ago. I just did a day that. No, sir.
Trying to bring peace to our country must not incite or cause any other injustice or more war, if you know what I mean. And so even though I did not say anything wrong in the beginning, but in the end, because of the way she was behaving and the level of
Good morning,
oh my
Lady
gosh,
Benz.
I said something subliminally and everybody understood what I was saying, and I was wrong. And I do apologize, and I ask that she would forgive me for allowing a moment to bring truth and youth.
She done forgive you a long time, but she not forget what you do. Me no business with her now. Me no business with her. You trust and believe, say me no business with her. But you, pastor, you, let me shut up my mouth.
Together, to come together, that I used that moment where Moses and my personality came out, and I said a few things that I obviously hurt her. That's why she's on a campaign to try to do whatever she wants to do. But nevertheless, I believe
if me and when she, you see, I would have take you down with every fiber in my body. You little wretch. I would have take you down with everything what in my body. You is a wretch.
That is wrong and can say is wrong is a man that you can always follow and trust. There are people who are wrong and they become wrong and strong. And God deals with me very, very clearly.
No deal with you yet.
It doesn't matter what I'm in. If I'm doing something and if I am wrong, He's going to correct me. And if He corrects me, I will correct it. And if I do it in the public, I'm going to...
Me know if people them they go run with this now and say, Lord Maxine, they look friend. Maxine, they buy friend. Maxine, they look friend. No, I'm not looking no friend. I don't want no friend out here, and everybody out here wicked and thief and liar. But wrong is wrong. Happy Monday, Dream Eyes. Happy Monday, sweetheart. May I tell you, say, right is right and wrong is wrong. And I am not the type of person who say wrong and give it right or whatever. I saw me stay. And when somebody do me same thing, me still not hold a grudge against them. But this is wrong. You call yourself a pastor. I've been telling you that this is wrong. This is no joke. What kind of pastor are you? Oh, it's just the name. You're not an ordained minister. You're not like that. You're just the devil. Just the damn devil. But you come to apologize. If you see motor in more big, yeah. Look like he just done suck sitting done. More big like I don't know what.
Correct it in the public. And if it's done in the secret, I'm going to do it in... God can trust me. I'm just that kind of person. I know when to say it when I'm sorry, and I know when to say I am wrong. And because I realized she was hurt by what I said, and I was serious by what I said, my message...
He mouth big, he nose big, and just a laba laba. So you right for the alongside now. Laba laba. And Jesus Christ. Me can't deal with you this morning. Me just said you just said the word what me want to say. Me can't deal with you this morning. Me cannot. You know see the man mouth on? Like a some big old you yes. Of course they knew why when they do. Of course they knew why when they do. Me, son.
Of bringing us together as one could also be distorted or lose validity and purpose. And I am sorry to all of Jamaica and the people of God that listened to me, both Christians and alike. Although I do believe she needs to behave herself and stop and to come together and let us stop fighting each
the same very thing where they say with the fire they fight and with the fire they do it you they do they throw oil in the fire. You there they throw oil in the fire. You can't do that. Who you? Who you? No, you want to play judge, jury, and executioner. Go here, man. Man, move.
In social media. Nevertheless, after I did that video, I went to bed and I had a vision of
you never get up.
And the Lord showed me that there were individuals that was going to try to sabotage her name and sabotage.
Nobody not try for sabotage nothing.
I don't.
Nobody not try for sabotage nothing. when it comes to the event, in them will they charge too much money, I should not free. It should not done for free. The amount of money wine thief out here. The amount of money wine thief from people out here, especially myself here. You should not do it for free. You should not give it every God Almighty one of the ticket them. A free, you should not go for. Free. The amount of money wine get. The amount of money. The amount of money. It should have been free. Where?
Her. I've never spoken to her. The only person I speak to close to her staff is Auntie Paula. And there are times when I would want to be a blessing, and she said no in times past. And I'm going somewhere with this, just track with me. And she said no, and that's fine. But this time the Lord said, I want you to purchase 10 tickets and be a blessing.
You shouldn't buy all of them.
You want me to purchase 10 tickets. He says, this woman has been a blessing.
You shouldn't buy the whole of the ticket them. You and Dana are whole thief. The two are two old criminal. You are whole thief. You are brother and sister. You are thief. You are twin. The two are the same thing. But
people and her people have been a blessing to others. Now bless her people and bless her. And then she made a joke and said, Pastor, if you have 10 more tickets, bless another. But the Lord spoke to me and said, buy 11 more tickets.
I don't know why. Father God, why you have to talk to this man so much time, Father God? Why? And there's people out there who want to talk to you, my God. Yes. This is a man that get too much of your attention. And they call your name too much. This is a man that call your name too much, Father God. Uncle, you alone, God, see so? No, man.
God, why? He says, I am going to do something with Auntie Donna that is going to shake the nation. She thinks it's just about being successful and just being who she is. She's an amazing woman.
No, she's not.
God is going to use Auntie Donna to win souls. And God is going to grab a hold of Auntie Donna like never before. Her
Pastor Donna playing licky and love people money. Pastor, make me tell you this guy, you don't know. Because you know when they watch it from so long, so make me enlighten you. Donna is very licky and love people money. She robbed me blind. She didn't ask me feet. For most of it, a matter of fact. But she did ask a few times. Yes, licky bad. And love people money and people things. I saw in licky and tan. Yes.
Move from Jamaica to America is not normal. God is going to open doors for her and it's going to blow her mind.
Yes.
I saw her building a 7-bedroom house with a 5-door garage, and it was in a big
7-bedroom house. Pastor, she went and said she buy one already. She said she buy one in America for her picnic them. Yes. And only to find out I want 2-bedroom then we have all this time. And then rent one 3-bedroom 2 months before she come up. Then rent one 3-bedroom. And then gear the little one will look like a closet. Yes, then gear the little room will look like a closet. Me no business what nobody say, but it won't look like a closet. Because it look like a family closet, yeah. And now for me house, no pastor for my daughter house. But the room where then gear look like a the closet what me have. Yes, look like a the closet. So me don't know what kind of 7-bedroom house in go build again. Don't build already. You understand? When do build for prisoner? Or that's so then go whole or
amazing community. And I saw the Lord opening doors. She's going to meet 2 white persons. Remember this prophecy. 2 white persons who are millionaires. Others are going to be telling them about her and her success. If you think Auntie Donna's story is anything yet, you haven't seen anything yet.
We know see nothing yet, Pastor. Because jailhouse now miss him. Jailhouse now miss her. You understand, Pastor? You they predict the right thing. Jailhouse now miss it. You know, say knock your mouth on him. Not top knock your mouth on her, because jailhouse now miss her. Or might be a 7 country, you know. Might be a 7 different place, then go pull him. You know. Good morning, Ro. Good morning, my darling. Are we get the money? People like myself. Lay down on my bed, I saw him the ball. And she know exactly. You hear the device note they play last night when they sweet me up. Oh, you know, hear the device note when they sweet me up. Yes, my sister. Maxine, you're the best. Yes. God bless you, Maxine. Yes, my sister. At them, the same thing them when they go along with. I'm good, darling. I'm good. At them, they sitting there.
America and the world is going to witness this prophecy come to pass. You will end up in Europe. You will end up in England. You will end up in Scotland Yard. You are going to be amongst some.
Somebody say, this is the same pastor, you go put him in a jail. This is the same pastor, you send him to prison. I know lie, you know, you see, but Dana licky bad, you know. I never know that Dana would have ever take that money from that man. I never know. Me when things say she when they stand their ground and would not take the money from this man. No man. The better if the man when see the people them and give them the money for social media. Dana licky bad. Dana licky me they tell us Dana licky. Me not ask you if Dana licky. I tell us say licky.
Elite of the elites. And God is going to give you favor with men. And God began to show that. And so I've been praying.
God, they go give them a favor with man and then I care if find a man for himself all now. Rotted clot. Boy. God go give them a favor with man. And all know Dana can't find a man for him own. No, I want to find man Dana go there. Licky and greedy. If you licky and greedy.
So that's the reason why I sow. I sow the seeds not for popularity. So for some of you who don't get it, only those who know me as
no say you're big and boss and show off. I was sowing a seed too. Never tell nobody I was sowing a seed. I don't know any big mouth come out and come ball out tell people. Cause if I for me alone, not a soul never know so then they get dollar. Not a soul no cause me say to myself, say a seed me they sow. Yes, me say to myself, cause me listen to the pastor and he say, Maxine, you can sow your seed in any way, shape and form. You can sow your seed any way you want to sow it. Me get up enough in my head. You know when you don't know nothing about the Bible, when you don't know nothing about the Bible is a hell of a thing, you know. Knowledge is great. People, let me tell you something, knowledge is great because when you don't know, you don't know. People like this one you fool you. Yes, people like this one you fool you. Because I was tricked, you know. I was tricked into believing that I was sowing a seed. I don't know nothing about no church business. I never know nothing about nothing at all, no pastor. All me know is pray and read my Bible to God. That's it.